let's have a more detailed look to each figure you just saw in Foxtrot routine. And we start with feather step. Man starts with right foot, he lowers, goes forward, then left side is leading, he goes diagonally forward, now left side is still leading and he goes slightly across with right foot and lowers. Let's look again from different angle. Man lowers into left leg, goes with right leg forward, transfers weight, and now left side is leading in second step, and in third step left side is still leading and he moves slightly across and lowers. Let's do with the count and slow, quick, quick. Let's look again and slow, quick, quick. Now lady steps. Very important that lady has no foot rise here. She lowers, goes back, and then she prepares right side lead, but pay attention, she releases toe from the floor. She continues and again she releases front toe from the floor. Let's look again. Lady lowers, she goes back, diagonally back, right side lead, and last step in CBMP in one line, and then she lowers with the count and slow, quick, quick, and again from different direction and slow, quick, quick. Open telemark, man steps, man starts with lowering into right foot, goes forward with left foot. Pay attention, he is slightly higher than usual in left foot, then he goes to side around lady and turns around and diagonally forward in promenade position. Let's look again. Man lowers, goes forward with left foot, slightly higher because of lady's heel turn, and now he goes around lady, turns and goes diagonally into promenade position. Let's look with the count and slow, quick, quick, and again from opposite direction and slow, quick, quick. Now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts with right foot, she goes back, now she closes feet together. This is called heel turn. She turns on the heel, transfers weight, and goes diagonally forward into promenade position. Let's look again. She lowers, goes back, closes feet, turns on right heel, transfers weight to left foot and step with right foot in promenade position. And slow, quick, quick. And from opposite direction and slow, quick, quick. Natural weave from promenade position and tumble turn. Man starts from promenade position, he lowers, goes forward in promenade position, to side, diagonally back and back in CBMP. Now he lowers and he will dance tumble turn. He goes back to side and forward in CBMP, and now he does step forward and pivot, reverse pivot. Let's look again. Man starts on promenade position, lowers, goes with right foot forward. Now he goes around lady to side, diagonally back, back in CBMP or in one line. Now he lowers, goes back to side, forward in CBMP and goes forward and turns into pivot. Let's do with the count. And quick, 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 slow, quick and quick. 5, 6, 7, 8, quick, 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 slow, quick and quick. Now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts from promenade position with left foot forward, forward and slightly to side, left foot diagonally forward and right foot forward across body. Now she lowers and goes forward, to side, cross back. Now she goes to side, around man and pivoting action to left. Let's look from opposite direction. Lady lowers in promenade, she goes forward, slightly forward and slightly to side, diagonally forward, left side lead, forward in CBMP and she lowers. Now she goes forward, to side and in one line or slightly crosses feet, and then she goes to side, diagonally to side and reverse pivot action. Let's look at the count. Quick, 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 slow, quick and quick. Let's look from opposite direction. Quick, 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 slow, quick and quick. Hinge line to Rudolph and bounce steps. Man starts with left foot back, then to side, and now he changes sway, slight rotation and he lowers. Now he rotates to right, step forward, rotation with body to right and bounce steps. Back and back. Let's look from different direction. Man lowers, goes with right foot back, left foot to side, sway to left. Now he rotates, changes sway, rotation to right, up, then he goes down and 2 bounce steps backwards. Now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts with left foot forward, right foot to side. Now she crosses left foot and lowers into hinge position. Step forward, step to side, around man, ronde action, she lowers and back and forward, 2 bounce steps. Let's look from opposite direction. Lady lowers, goes with left foot forward, right foot to side and crosses right foot. Then she lowers into hinge line, step forward and then back, goes around man, ronde action, she lowers and step back and step forward. Now let's look how we dance it together. So we lower, man goes back, lady forward, and he leads into cross hinge line, Rudolph with ronde, lowering and 2 bounce steps. Let's look from opposite direction. And with teaching count. And slow, quick and quick, slow and quick, quick, slow, slow and. With ending, is important to remember we dance on the ball of foot, and man starts with left foot back. Now he rotates to left with right foot back, to side and forward in CBMP, and now we lower into right leg. Let's look again. With left foot back in CBMP, back, now to side and forward in CBMP, and then we lower. Let's look with the count. And quick, 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 quick from opposite direction, and quick, 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 quick. Now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts with right foot, forward in CBMP. Now she turns slightly to left, then she goes to side, and now is no foot rise. You see, release of front toe. Let's look again. Lady starts with right foot, forward, forward, to side and right side lead. Now pay attention to footwork. There is no foot rise and therefore we release right toe from the floor. With the count and quick, 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 and again, and quick, 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 quick. Progressive chasse to right. Man starts with left foot, he lowers, goes with left foot forward, rotation to side, close, to side and slightly back. Let's look again. Man lowers into right leg, goes with left leg forward, to side, close, to side and slightly back. And now with the teaching count and slow, quick and quick. Let's look again. And slow, quick and quick. Now let's look at lady's steps. Lady starts with right foot. She lowers, goes back with right foot. Now rotation, side, close, side and slightly forward. Lady starts with right foot. She lowers, goes back, transfers weight. Now rotation, side, close and to side and slightly forward. With the teaching count and slow, quick and quick. 5, 6, 7, 8, slow, quick and quick. Extended weave ending and change of direction. Man starts with right foot, he goes back, 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 now back on rotation, to side, forward in CBMP, now he lowers, goes through the heel forward, now rotation, he goes to side, around lady, brushes feet and step forward from the heel. Let's look again. Man starts with left foot and he goes back and back, we lead with right side, again back, now we turn, go to side, forward in CBMP, now man lowers, goes forward through the heel, around lady and brush and then forward step. Let's do with the teaching count. And quick, 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 slow, slow, slow. And from opposite direction. And quick, 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 slow, slow, slow. Now lady steps, lady starts with right foot. She goes forward outside man, forward, forward, forward and rotation to side, back in CBMP. Now lady lowers, change of direction, she goes back, now rotation to side, brush and backward step. And we stay low at the end of change direction. Lady starts with right foot, forward in CBMP, forward, forward in CBMP, forward and rotation, now to side, now backward in CBMP. Now lady lowers and now change of direction. We stay down, back, to side, brush and step back. Let's look with the teaching count. Quick, 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 slow, slow, slow. And again from opposite direction. 5, 6, 7, 8. Quick, 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 slow, slow, slow. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next videos.